First and foremost, Happy New Year. With 2021, many new changes, and hopefully it's going to be better than 2020. But with each new year comes new changes. And one of the changes we've been talking about for some time now is the death of Flash. As of 2021, you will not be able to open up any Flash content. However, doesn't mean you can't revive some of your content from those old Flash-based games. Let me show you. Let's go to My Content and look for a game that was built in Flash. So here's an example of Quiz Show. I'm going to go over to Actions, and I have two options. Create an HTML version of the Quiz Show game, or export to library. Let's start with this one. Create HTML5 version. Click on it. And you're going to get this pop-up menu. It's going to say Start Upgrade. It's going to happen very quickly. Just like that. It's done. You can just step through it, set your settings, go to Next, and you'll see your questions are imported. And even if your questions have content, that also has been imported. So that's one way. The other way is we can export any of the contents from the old Flash games, specifically anything on the game board, into its own library. So let's go back to Content, My Content, and let's go to the Flash version. I do want to point out here for a second, there's a distinct difference in the look between old Bravo Flash games and the new HTML5 version. So when it says Quiz Show 2, the 2 indicates this is Quiz Show version 2. Let's go back to the old Flash game. Let's go back to Actions. This time we're going to choose Export to Library. And you can add the content that's on the game board to an existing library or make an own library. I'm just going to go ahead and choose my old library and say OK. And it's done. That's it. Now if we go back into the HTML version, we'll see that library is right here. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Here's to helping you find unique ways to make your training more engaging. Take care.